Okay, let's go.
All right, traders, welcome to the second week of the month of October. It's a brand new week in the global financial market, and this is David from Esco Trader, and I'm going to be sharing with us what to be expected this week. News just reaching us that Israeli hostage has been released, all living captives freed as Trump tells needs set, age of terror is over. So this is the latest update on the war with Gaza and Israel, and this is Christmas Day for traders. Reason being, the volatility definitely will be seen on the chart. But before I go right into the chart, let's look at the technical currency strength meter as well. Long term, we're going to be seeing gold still bullish, and on the medium, gold is still bullish. But for the weaker side, we are seeing NZD and JPY as well on this. And on the Forex Factory, today we're going to be also seeing news on Fed Charles Powell, which we'll be speaking later on. And during the week, Thursday, tentative on unemployment claims and PPI. These are news event that is supposed to actually react on the global financial market, but because of the US shutdown economy, we are still expecting the Fed Charles Powell, governor of the Bank of America, to speak concerning that matter. Then we would know exactly where the direction for the dollar will be going. All right, so first on my watch list would be on gold. All right, on the 1 hour time frame, we saw the way market pushed above 4057 on a very strong resistance point. And what I saw during 2 weeks ago, when market got to 3975, and last week market got to 4057, and these are zone areas which I'm looking at what price might be doing in future, in terms that anytime you see a breakout of structure, then you should know that further on price would even go much higher than expected. So for me, I'm going to be calculating the distance between this and stretching it into the future. All right, so stretching into the future would now determine the next level probably price might also get to. So this is what I have. I'm already on this trade at the moment, so if you need this particular currency to be sent, all you have to do is just to use the comment section below, and these signals will be sent to you for free. All right, so this is one of the currencies I'm having because of the news reaction on the dollar with the president live at the Middle East. We saw a pullback of just 100 pips, but notwithstanding, the overall trend for gold is still very bullish. All right, so the amazing thing that happened over the weekend was Bitcoin gave us a really surprise, and news across the globe is saying most traders are committing suicide. Most traders lost a lot of millions and millions of dollars, and this did a total number of 150k on the Bitcoin to the downside in favor of the dollar. A lot of people probably were against the dollar because of the economic situation in America, but looking at market structure, resistance and support level which was respected, now what should we be expecting? Would price continue to the upside in terms of looking at the fact that market has done the whole structure of support and resistance respecting the zones, and we saw a fake out of 108 level area. But right now, what will be the fate of this currency in terms of the dollar? Are we going to see price continue to the downside, or are we going to see price come tap into the 122k level area? But that would also show you that the principle of trading in terms of this is showing a very strong momentum to the downside. But right now, market just consolidated, did 50% of this push if you're using Fibonacci 2 retracement. So from where price is right now to this current level, so you can see, so looking at this level here, we might see price coming to tap into the 50% Fibonacci before pushing up. Now if we have that, if price breaks above 50% or even 61%, then we might see a continuation to the downside. But if price should respect this level in terms of which was acting as a strong support level area, then we might get a reversal as this a correction, I beg your pardon, to the zone before price pushing upwards. But if we get a break below 108 level area, then we might see a continuation to the downside. This is for Bitcoin. Moving on would be GBP JPY on the 4-hour time frame. Over the weekend as well, we saw what the Asian market did and last week, but right now throughout last week, market moved from this level to this level, about 740 pips, and market has done a correction of that. And me using this structure, so let me show you how I was able to achieve this. I'm actually on a buy position on this right now, and I discovered that once price retraces from this level here, so you can see, so the whole bullish momentum has already been exhausted, because market moved from this level, broke out of a major resistance level if you look at the past candle formations, so to form a new high. All right, so back to 4 hours. So my new deliberation for this week would be price coming to tap into the 50% or even the 100% Fibonacci level area. So we might see price come tap into here before continue to the downside, or we might even see an 100% of this push go. The currency on the pound sterling is actually stronger at the moment against the JPY, as we saw on the currency strength meter. Japanese yen is actually weak on the long term, so this might be a good advantage to push price to the upside. All right, so lastly on my watch list would be GBP USD. So GBP USD too as well, very good market structure. We saw what price did throughout last week, a consolidation and switching to the line chart, and we are seeing markets respecting these levels 1.31 and 1.37. all right, already we are seeing a descending move of lower lows and lower highs. So what I would be looking forward to is price coming to tap into this level or even break further below if you look at the higher time frame. So this is my catch, looking at the rejection on the higher time frame. So this is what I have for us this week. Many trade opportunities, and even on our community as well. You can have the chance, to partake of all vital information that you might need, as well the educational courses too as well, the free signal that is available on our platform. So this is an opportunity for you to catch in on this channel. All right, so this is what I have for us this week. By the ending of the week, we're going to do market review to show you how much we've been able to achieve in terms of pips. All right, guys.